Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book multiple rooms in Agoda. So are you planning a trip with family or friends? So booking multiple rooms on Agoda is straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through the process. First, you have to open your preferred browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. In the search bar, type your destination city or hotel name. Select your check-in and check-out date and specify the number of guests per room. Once your search results appear, go ahead and click on search, and it's going to take you to a page where your search results appear. So once it appears, look for the rooms drop-down menu. Okay. So before you see, I'm back on this page. Yes, very intentional. Before you hit the search bar, before you hit the search button, head over to the rooms drop down menu. Here we have one adult, one room. Click on it. Now, once you click on it, you're going to see room, you can see adult, you can see children. So select the number of rooms that you wish to book. So this says one room. Use the plus icon to increase the number of rooms. So let's say I need 4 rooms. And 4 rooms, it says 4 rooms. You see that as the number of rooms increase, the number of persons will have to increase. Now, Agoda allows you to book up to 5 rooms at once. So once you do that, go ahead and hit search. Now, use available filters to narrow down your options based on preferences like price, star rating, amenities, or room type, which are at the left corner of the screen. For each room, you can choose different types, such as standard, deluxe, or family suites, depending on availability actually. So ensure that the selected room types are available for your chosen rates. If a room type is unavailable, consider adjusting your dates or selecting alternative room type. So here you go. Go ahead and choose the hotel that fits your budget. And you see that it's taking me to the details page. So now we're here in this page. The property is in high demand for travelers booked today. Okay, that's okay. So go ahead and look for this accommodations that actually provide 4 rooms. So say our last 4 rooms, our last 4 rooms. This one also has our last 4 rooms. So just go ahead and choose on the type, the room type, single bed in meal dormitory room, 1 person in 4-bed dormitory. So once you have selected that, now click on book now. Now ensure that the selected room types are available for your choosing dates, right? After selecting your desired rooms, click on book now, then review the details, and it takes you to the next page where you can now place bookings for the rooms. So once all the rooms are added, just click on this. And if you're not logged in, you'll be asked to log into your Agoda account. If you don't have one, just proceed as a guest. But creating an account allows for easier management of your bookings. So now you have this room. So choose when to pay this or pay now. You have that option. And here is it. So scroll the way down, click on next and final step, where you can now make payments. Now check your order details, room price, 4 rooms / 1 night. That's what you're paying for. So ensure that it is exactly what you are paying for. Enter your payment details. Agoda accepts various payment methods, including credit or debit cards and PayPal. So just go ahead and review the total cost, including taxes and fees, before confirming. After payment, you receive a confirmation email for each room booked. It's advisable to keep these confirmations handy for check-in. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.